Hiya, I'm Ben, and welcome to Far From Expert Cooking, the show where you'll be just as surprised as I am by the outcome of what we're going to do today. And today is a lovely day out, so what's best than having a very nice juicy burger? A barbecued burger, and you see this massive thing has a burger that we're going to make from scratch. Bacon, halloumi cheese, some lettuce and tomato in a nice bun. What a better way to spend a weekend than this one. I have here mince, and what I have here is 5% fat mince, which is the one that I had in my fridge. Again, I'm not going to be that TV chef. I'm not going to tell you that the one that you get in the supermarket that is normally 20+% is, and this one I'm going to tell you is exactly the same. They won't. But we're going to use some seasoning, and we're still going to have a juicy burger and a really flavorful burger. The way we're going to do it is we have just some salt and pepper, some oregano, some English mustard, and some ají, which is the Argentinian spice you like, but again, you can use chili flakes and give it a little bit of a punch. Remember that the how you want to season is completely up to you. The quantities as well is up to you. You can add as well if you want. You can add garlic. You can add some cheese into it. You can add any other spice, some paprika, anything else you want. I'm keeping it simple this time, and I'm just going to mix it well to then form the burger. If you ask me for my reasoning for how I seasoned these burgers, it's actually quite simple. Salt and pepper enhances the flavor of the meat. Then the chili flakes, or in this case the ají, gives a little bit of a spicy flavor to it. Oregano gives it a herbiness to it. And then you have the mustard. The English mustard will give it a tartness, but when it cooks, the spiciness of the mustard will go away, so it'll still have that tartness that goes really, really well with meat. And this is all ready to be formed in a hamburger, and all you need to do is to press it. I don't have any type of machine to do it. You might have it in your house, so you're welcome to use it. You want to compress it as much as you want. And the reason for that is just so when you put it on the barbecue, it doesn't fall apart when you cook it. So try to form the burger, and you can form it in the width that you, how tall you want it or how big you want it, depending on the buns that you have. And that's pretty much it, and ready to go into the barbecue. Fire is ready, so these ones are going in. If you feel like it had been out of the fridge for a while, just press them a little bit more, and then there they go. I'm also going to put here some slices of cheese. And these particularly is halloumi cheese. I do love burgers with halloumi. And I'm going to put some basically rashers of bacon as well. Just to make sure that we have the whole thing. Okay, I've stuck them already, and this is all ready to go. So here we have the burger, the bacon, the halloumi, all ready to go in a bun. Don't be confused. The fact that we've used a leaner meat doesn't mean that this is not going to be a juicy, a messy burger like all burgers should be. I feel like I have to press it a little bit down because my mouth definitely doesn't open enough, and you can see the juice just flowing from it. It's tasting time. It's juicy. You can taste the heaviness of the oregano, the tartness of the English mustard. It's just delicious. Go ahead, do yours. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. But again, as I always say, the important thing, share with your family, share with your loved ones, cooked and share with everyone you love.